In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use member sites in Squarespace. We'll start from the main Squarespace dashboard and go through the setup process in a simple, practical way so you can create a members area and begin preparing it for visitors. First, go to Website. This is where the main structure of your site is managed, including your pages and navigation. From there, click on Pages so you can access the area where new content sections are added and organized. Inside Main Navigation, click the plus icon. This opens the menu for adding new page types and site features. From the available options, choose Content and Memberships and then select Member Site. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a protected area designed specifically for members. Next, choose a template for your member site. The template gives you a starting layout, so pick the one that feels closest to the kind of experience you want to. After that, edit the name of the member site. Make sure the title is clear and easy for your audience to understand, since this will help keep your content organized from the beginning. Once the site has been created, click Edit. This takes you into the editing view, where you can begin customizing the content. At this stage, you can update text, adjust sections, and shape the page so it matches the purpose of your membership. Take your time here, because a well-structured member area makes the experience much better for users. When you're done editing that section, click Exit to return to the member site management area. From there, click Add Page if you want to build out more content inside your member site. You can add more pages if you prefer, which is useful if you want separate areas for lessons, downloads, community resources, or exclusive updates. After your content structure is in place, click Add a Pricing Plan. This is the part where you connect access to a payment option. Then click Create Pricing Plan to begin setting it up. Now enter the name of the pricing plan. This should clearly communicate what the member is getting. Then enter the description, which is a good place to explain the value of the plan and what access is included. Finally, choose whether the plan will use a fixed amount or a subscription. A fixed amount is typically best for one-time access, while a subscription works well for ongoing memberships with recurring payments. Choose the option that fits your business model and the type of member experience you want to provide. And that's how to use member sites in Squarespace, from creating the member area to preparing content and setting up a pricing plan.